Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to clone a WordPress website in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your WordPress website that you want to clone, click on this dashboard button. Now click on WordPress and select Copy Website. Here, make sure to select the correct WordPress address website address that you want to clone. For example, I want to clone this Ben's tutorial WordPress website, and I want to clone it in this added website. Select it from here. Please note that if you have email accounts, FTP and SSH keys added to the original website, they will not be copied to the selected or your website destination automatically. Click on Start Copying. First, there is a potential data loss. Check this box next to I understand that all my destination website in another way where you are copying or cloning this WordPress website files will be overwritten without possibility to reverse. Yes, I understand this. Click on Start Copying anyway. The cloning process is in progress. Click on Close. And as you see, this is my original WordPress website. This is the destination address. And the status is still copying files and databases. You can refresh this page. They are still copying files and databases for me. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join .com Builders Academy from this link, academy.com.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. They are still copying files and databases for me. And as you see, the status now is completed. Now let's open the first website. As you see, this is the content. And if I go to the second website, and as you see, it shows the same website. And this is how to clone a WordPress website in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.